And the state of Minnesota today reported 33 new COVID-19 related deaths.
The state reports another 33 deaths.
That is 33 new cases from just yesterday.
And so currently there are 33 confirmed cases in Arkansas.
School officials say 33 high school students tested positive for COVID-19 after returning from spring break.
There are now 33 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Michigan.
So today we have 33 new cases.
We've also learned at least 33 people have died from COVID-19 complications just this weekend.
The state reports another 33 deaths.
At Brentwood Place 1 in East Dallas, there are now 33 confirmed coronavirus cases.
33 confirmed positive cases now in Arkansas.
And that brings the total right now actually to 33 deaths that we're aware of, sadly.
The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Rhode Island jumps by 33 overnight.
As of this afternoon, we have 33 Pennsylvanians who have tested positive for COVID-19.
With 33 new deaths in just 24 hours.
Indiana is reporting 5,700 new cases and 33 more deaths.
As expected, the number of cases of COVID-19 jumps. A total of 33 people in our state have been tested and are confirmed to have the coronavirus.
And then 2 days in a row we had 22, and then we shot up to 33.
33 states have seen an increase in COVID-19 cases in the last week.
And sadly, we've had 33 deaths.
We are up to 197 cases statewide. That's 33 new cases since yesterday.
So today there are a total of 33 new community cases to report.
Across the country, infections now on the rise in 33 states.
More cases of the coronavirus were confirmed today in San Luis Obispo County, bringing the total number now to 33.
As of today, we have 33 confirmed cases with Boston residents. We expect those numbers to climb.
Pitt is encouraging its students to stay safe and not travel over the holiday weekend. Schools reporting 33 new COVID cases since Monday.
Here is the latest coronavirus news. There are now 33 cases in Louisiana.
We have new information on COVID-19 in the region. Minnesota is reporting 33 new deaths.
The virus has claimed 33 more lives in the past 24 hours.
Coronavirus outbreak at the Latonia nursing home infects at least 33 residents.
33 more people have died due to the coronavirus in Illinois.
North Carolina is also reporting nearly 2,900 cases of coronavirus. 33 people have died.
Nikki, good morning. And right now, Metro leaders report about 1 in every 33 people here in Nashville is currently battling COVID-19.
Here's a look at the latest coronavirus numbers from state health officials. 33 new cases and 1 new death reported today.
In our region, no new deaths have been reported in Southwest Virginia, but they did see 33 new cases.
Now, in at least 33 states, the South African, Brazilian, and possibly more deadly UK strain, which is expected to dominate the country by March.
The deaths included 3 people from 3 counties in the Lakeland viewing area.
We've had 33 positive tests, 236 negative tests.
33-year-old Rashad Lindsay sits in a hospital bed, reflecting on the many ways COVID-19 changed his life.
The Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, or CCSA, on Sunday reported 33 more cases of the novel coronavirus. In a video message, 33-year-old Andrea Napoli shared his battle with COVID-19.
The state today reported 33 new COVID-19 related deaths.
That brings the total number of cases, according to the Virginia Department of Health, to 3,333.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you very much, Minister. So on today's numbers, we have 33 new COVID-19 cases that have been notified since our last update.
Children's Wisconsin's chief medical officer says the daily average of hospitalizations here is up 33% from the week before.
Today, we have 33 confirmed positive cases in Arkansas.
33-year-old Michael Arante is enjoying the fresh air and warm sun. He was able to come back to the hospital where he had a touch and go situation, according to the doctor, for about 33 months.
I think the more time goes on and the more facts they have, the better, right? The more you can say we have 33 cases. Okay, so what?
A growing number of states that are seeing a wave of new cases and hospitalizations.
Last week, we saw a 33% increase in the number of cases.
Day 4 of the shelter-at-home order brought 6 new confirmed cases of the coronavirus to San Luis Obispo County, bringing the total number to 33.
So it's been a bumpy ride for AstraZeneca over the last year. Today, another setback. The drug maker's antibody cocktail, apparently only 33% effective in preventing COVID symptoms in people who had been exposed to the virus.
6,827 school-aged children with COVID-19 on July 18th. Just 10 days later, it had jumped to 9,085. That's a 33% increase.
The woman shared a picture of her vaccination card from Redlands Community Hospital. The 33-year-old claims her husband's aunt is, quote, a big deal there.
For our update today, we have 33 new cases who have tested positive for COVID-19 here in British Columbia.
In the last 24 hours, out of 2,428 new test results, there were 33 new cases.
The 7-day average of hospital admissions is about 19,800 per day, an increase of about 33% over the prior week.
33 new COVID-19 cases reported today.
33 villages in Pasay City here in Metro Manila have been placed under a 2-week lockdown due to a surge in COVID-19 cases.
The figure that we have now is 33% of the population in Delhi has been exposed to the virus.
33 new COVID-19 cases were reported by the Division of Health, Wellness and Social Protection in the last 24 hours.
Beijing reported 33 new confirmed locally transmitted COVID-19 cases, with all found among those under quarantine.
Of the 3,235 samples processed, 33 tested positive for SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19.
The number of confirmed cases of novel coronavirus in the Philippines rises to 33 on Tuesday, March 10.
Traveled to Delhi from Italy and then went to Amritsar. They then traveled back from Italy to Delhi on 3rd of March. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has climbed to 33.
Well, and breaking information that we're tracking at this point in time, because 33 more cases have been reported in IIT Madras today.
Spokesperson of the Ministry of Public Health, Dr. Rungrung Kitpati, said that 33 new COVID-19 cases were roughly divided into 2 categories.
Meanwhile, the rate of hospitalization in the United States has increased due to COVID by almost about 33%.
Pune-based virology laboratory, but yes, a preliminary test has confirmed that they are infected with coronavirus. Meanwhile, the state government has advised people not to panic, as the reports are preliminary.
Shifting our focus now, hospitalizations in the United States due to COVID have increased by 33%.
Continues to grow with 33 more cases confirmed today.
Delhi on Saturday recorded its second case of Omicron, which is taking the total tally in the country to 33.
So 33% of the population has most likely developed COVID antibodies, according to the initial analysis of the 3rd serological survey in the national capital.
Egypt has recorded 33 new cases of the coronavirus.
South Korea reported 33 new cases of COVID-19 on Tuesday.
The Ministry of Public Health has confirmed a batch of 33 new COVID-19 patients.
And now let's start this bulletin by focusing on Japan. 33 people have lost their lives due to coronavirus pandemic in Japan.
Officials have said that about 33% of the U.S. military is refusing to receive the COVID-19 vaccine shot, despite significant infection levels in the U.S. forces.
The government of Punjab decided to increase the number of COVID tests and did over 10,000 tests daily in schools after 33 students from schools tested positive for the virus.
With this latest infection, India has so far logged 33 cases of the new variant that has sparked fresh worry worldwide.
The country also reported 33 COVID-related fatalities.
Yes, we have a budget for masks for over 33 million people.
we found 33 new positive cases. All of them have the virus with no symptoms.
To date, we have 33 laboratories that are conducting testing. These are constituents of both public and private laboratories.
More than 24,000 people are currently being tested.
The general high number of COVID cases across the country is still due to the highly transmissible Omicron variant.
Japan is very low on test numbers as well. It's only testing about 800, 900 people per day.
Hello and welcome to the Midday Minute. Here is the latest update.
Sehingga kini sebanyak 4 kes positif COVID-19 sedang dirawat di unit rawatan rapi. 16 kes adalah kes import yang mendapat jangkitan di luar negara.
Hospitalizations have been on the rise since late December when Omicron had surpassed the Delta variant.
కొత్తగా 11,638 మందికి పరీక్షలు నిర్వహించగా 33 మందికి పాజిటివ్ వచ్చినట్టు వైద్య ఆరోగ్య శాఖ తెలిపింది. ఇందులో చిత్తూరులో
COVID-19 semakin bertambah. Hingga kloter 16 ada penambahan 3 pasien COVID-19 sehingga total ada 33 jemaah yang terpapar COVID-19.
मेडिकल अस्पताल में भी संक्रमण के केसेस आ रहे हैं. 29 केसेस वहां भी पाए गए. अंजलि
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए ये चिंता की बात है पूरी दिल्ली के लिए ही.
People are voicing concern about the COVID situation that is becoming grimmer by the day.
To respond comprehensively and robustly to the situation at hand. We will have to deploy it in a deliberate manner and at decisive moments.
Hospital ICUs now dangerously close to capacity.
Some serious numbers, the deaths right now globally, over 33,000.
Countries are losing control of the virus again after having got it under control, and this is what we predicted would happen.
This morning, Californians waking up to a new reality, bracing for a statewide lockdown affecting 33 million residents.
Taking a look at the situation around the rest of the world now, the number of total cases globally edging to more than 33 million.
It's another week with another grim milestone. We've had 33 million individuals diagnosed with COVID globally.
The Department of Labor says that last week unemployment claims in the United States skyrocketed to 3.3 million people.
In 2020, about 3.3 million deaths occurred in the United States.
3.3 million Kenyans have been fully vaccinated. Cases in the U.S. have jumped nearly 33% in just the last 4 days. Tonight, the state health department, I should say, has new data on monkeypox, showing 33 cases in Minnesota.
According to a new ABC News Ipsos poll out just this morning, only 33% now of Americans approve of President Trump's handling of the pandemic.
The president asked Congress for $33 billion in funding to help Ukraine defend itself.
President Biden admits the $33 billion package he is asking Congress to approve that we've been telling you about is a lot of money, but he says that's what it will take to keep up the fight to save Ukraine.